Hi, this is Jennifer Caswell with another edition of C1B1T1. This is week 12, and I'm going to demonstrate from our project, which was actually last week. After watching everybody's videos, I finally figured out how to keep the date with the month, day, and 4 digits for the year. So I thought I would explain and walk you through how I did that. So I'm going to open up the spreadsheet, open with LibreOffice Calc. Okay, and the first thing I'm going to get rid of the little pound signs. The field isn't big enough. Now, the first thing we need to do is replace all the nulls. So I'm just going to select all that, and I'm going to do the edit, find and replace. And I'm going to type in NULL, replace with all blanks. Replace all. So it's got rid of all of our nulls. Now I want to change the date format on those two. I go up here to format, number format, and it's going to be date, and it's going to change them all to a 2-digit year, which is fine. And then I'm going to go over here and get all the entire spreadsheet, and I'm going to go up here, edit, copy, and then I'm going to call up one of these test databases. And I've got some tables out here. Paste. So I'll call it raw data. I'm going to use the first line of the column for names. And I'll pull over the order ID, the order date. I'll do the ship date because I want to show you the 2 date fields. And order quantity, and I'll do customer ID. Next. Okay, now order ID, this is where you set up how many characters. I'm going to change this to a decimal with, and the entry is going to be required because it's going to be like a primary key. And say 5 digits. So it's 0 decimal places. Order date, I'm going to change that to a date format. And the entry is not required. And the ship date is going to be a date format. And it's not required. And the order quantity, I'm going to change that to a decimal. And entry not required, I'm going to say 3 digits for that, and 0 decimal places. Customer ID, I'm putting 2 decimal. And entry required, yes, because it's going to be a part of the primary key. And 5 digits, and 0 decimal places, and create. And do I want a unique number? No, I'll assign that later. So that's that. And then here's the raw data. And if I double click on that, it's got the 2-year character date. So that's fine. And then if you go in here and edit this order ID, you can just double check that everything is okay. The you have entry required in 5 digits. Order date. Now it gives you this format example, but over here it lets you change the way you click on date, and then you click on this 12/31/1999. Say OK. Ship date, we're going to do the same thing. Click down here, change that to date, and 12/31/99. Okay, and the order quantity is set to 3, and the customer ID was required with 5. So, okay. So now if I go in and look at the changes, our dates are set to the date like they were in the spreadsheet. And the empty fields that said null are blanked out. So this concludes this lesson for this C1B1T1. I hope you find it useful. I finally figured it out a week after the project was done, but at least I know for now for next time. That's it. Hope you enjoyed this. Bye.